This is a 2011 Ford Mustang. It has a 5.0-liter 8-cylinder engine and an automatic transmission. Its top features and packages include a comfort package, a multi-link rear suspension, heated front seats, 18-inch wheels, and traction control and stability control systems. The following features are also included: a low tire pressure indicator, air conditioning, cruise control, a CD player, leather seats, a rear spoiler, a passenger side vanity mirror, dusk sensing headlights, a split folding rear seat, and this vehicle has fewer than 32,000 miles on the odometer. Contact us today and schedule your opportunity to see this vehicle in person.
Bondi's Ford is dedicated to doing everything possible to ensure that the experience you have selecting your vehicle is as pleasant as possible. We are located at 3615 Ross Clark Circle in Dothan.